Plants that are shown in the video is from my garden, and all the plants are shade loving. So these, if you go to keep in outdoors as an outdoor plant, make sure you provide shade or else medium to partial sunlight. Or else when you decor your home as indoor plants, do not go to water them on regular basis, and also you can fertilize them once in a while. Taking them outdoors once a week is a must so that they will get fresh air, sun, and also a little bit of wind. So those are necessary for the plant. Do not forget to rotate your plant also, as house plants they also like to move around. So don't forget to rotate your plants once in a while. Do not keep it as it is. Check for the pests and also see that plants are all healthy. If there are any yellow leaves in your house plants, move them outdoors, shift them outdoors, see whether you have overwatered them, see whether if it is underwatered, or else see that you have over fertilized. So there are many things to check once you keep it indoors. So friends, it's all about house plants, decorating, and also making your home a beautiful green looking place and attractive place without wasting money. So you can use many plants to decor your home. So if you are new, consider to subscribe. Thank you. Which plants are ideal to decor your home? So this is one of the money plants. I do love the foliage, so I keep it to decor my home. And this is a low maintenance and a permanent plant which grows really well in the semi-shade. So you can bring one plant from a nursery and keep it indoors as an indoor plant. I have many collections of these beautiful pothos plants. This is another variety which I have kept in my bathroom, and this is such a decor piece because I love them. I love having many plant varieties in my home as home decor. So today in this video I will be showing you some of the plants as house plants or home decor plants. These gardening ideas from Thamara's garden. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Look at this beautiful Sansevieria. This is an air purifier plant, and also I have it in my home entrance. This is an old bird's bath which I have turned into a planter, and you can see there are many plants in this Sansevieria plant. These plants are low maintenance and you don't need to water them on regular basis. So this is one of the best house plants, and also you can decor your home with this, and it looks elegant and so attractive. Sansevieria plants fits into small planters. You can keep them under any bigger plant as well. So this is one of the low maintenance plant. No need of fertilizing, no need of regular watering. Very easy to grow and maintain. Next beautiful house plant, home decor plant is the Erica palm. Erica palm also one of the air purification plants. This plant you can multiply easily by dividing. Better growth of this plant, you will have to put it in a bigger ample spacey pot, because you can't put them in small planters, because then you will have to do a repotting now and then. So if you are a busy person, try give it ample space to grow either in your garden, or else if you put it as a decorative house plant, make sure to put it in a ample spacey pot. There's another Erica palm plant, and I have it at my home facing my living room. Another beautiful house plant is the ZZ plant. ZZ plant also one of the low maintenance green leafy plant which you can simply grow by stems. This plant also you can decor your home as a house plant. This plant you can grow with a single leaf even, and this is one of the beautiful and wonderful plant because you don't need to water them as well on regular basis. So have this one plant also in your garden, or else as a decorative plant in your home. Another beautiful and easy to grow plant is this lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo plants are very easy to grow and also one of the best house decor plants. You can put them in any planter. Here I have it in a clay pot, and this is at my entrance, and also one of the beautiful decorative plants. very easy to look after, even if you are a busy gardener, or else if you are a busy person, you have no time for fertilizing. This one plant is ideal for you. Look at this beautiful Chinese evergreen plant. This is another must-have plant in your garden because very easy to grow, and also this is low maintenance. So I recommend having it as a decorative plant. These plants you can easily multiply by dividing. Another wonderful house plant. Aloe vera. Another decorative plant, and also this is called one of the Vastu plants. So this is a must-have plant in your garden. They don't need regular watering, and you can grow them by dividing small pups. And also this is a wonderful useful plant for many benefits of keeping this plant at home. So having aloe vera in your garden is a must. Philodendron. This variety of philodendron is one of the best decorative plants. They are low maintenance, permanent, no need of regular watering. And this plant also looks amazing with the bigger huge leaves, and definitely is a decorative piece. So if you love keeping green plants in your home, try adding some philodendron plants.